Now today I'm gonna show you how to make a white lightning margarita. Okay, you not well water. It got too much of that motor oil in it. Them boys put too much of that oil down in the ground. We're gonna get some good swamp water. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. A little more swamp water. Now the problem with the swamp water, it got that swamp flavor in it, so you gotta put a little bit of the bleach up in there, and you gotta get that swamp flavor up out of the water. See, now it's got the alkaline in it, but it ain't got no swamp flavor in it. But now we gotta take the alkaline out of it. And all we do is shake it all up, and then the swamp gonna precipitate down at the bottom. Oh yeah, almost down to water now. Oh yeah, that's good. So now we ready. Is you gotta let that settle. Ain't gonna settle right away, but it got to precipitate. Got the swamp gonna fall out to the bottom. So I already got a little bit of that water over here. And we're gonna add a little bit of the yellow. You can tell you don't need to read nothing. You can tell the yellow. It got that lemon in it. This is what my grandma used to put in her drink. I put that up in the water here, and it's gonna make it yellow. You gotta make sure it get yellow, otherwise it got too much of the alkaline. I'm gonna turn it white. And I'm gonna shake that up, and now we're gonna have our lemon for the margarita. All right, that should be good. Now we got. Hold on a minute. I gotta get that white lightning. Oh yeah, that smells good. Oh yeah, we got that white lightning up in there. I put a little white lightning in there. Oh, that's good for the margarita there. And now we're gonna put that yellow in there with the lemon, like my grandma used to put in her drink. Oh, let me see. It's good, man. It's good. It's good. Yeah, you're gonna drink that, and that shit gonna keep you warm on a cold day like today.